Found in the local charity shop for 20 cents is this Archer TV interference filter. Purported to solve TV problems, it was sold through Tandy and Radio Shack shops. It connected between the TV's 300 ohm antenna connections and the ribbon antenna feed line. Helpfully, the package includes a circuit diagram. You can see that it's a high-pass filter. It offers no attenuation at TV signal frequencies, i.e. above 54 MHz, but attenuates sharply below that frequency. That includes HF amateur radio transmissions and signals from 27 MHz CB radio. Such circuitry should have been built in the TV sets themselves, but unfortunately it often wasn't. That meant that you might get a knock on the door from a neighbour who claims that your amateur or CB transmitter is interfering with their TV viewing. The brown colour and the fact that it was made in Taiwan indicates that this filter was probably made in the late 1970s to early 1980s. Before then, cheap electronics was more likely to be made in Japan, and after then, more likely to be made in countries even cheaper than Taiwan, like Malaysia, the Philippines, and more recently, China. These are its innards. Not much to it, 4 coils and 2 capacitors. This type of filter was the first thing that many amateurs would have bought as soon as they received a complaint of interference to a neighbour's television. They would have been sold in their thousands. Today, filters like these are almost a museum piece. TV antenna feed line switched from 300 ohm ribbon to 75 ohm coaxial cable. And more recently, many viewers got their TV signals through cable or satellite rather than free-to-air terrestrial broadcasting. That lessened the chance that TVs would pick up interference from amateur signals. If you want to get the most from amateur radio, check out my ebooks. Minimum QRP, hand-carried QRP antennas, and getting back into amateur radio. All have been favourably reviewed, and you can get them for a low price in electronic form. You can also like the VK3YE Radio Books page on Facebook.